Hello Ape Nation, this is the Intrinsic Trader. Today we're going to talk about ticker symbol AMC. Now before we get into it, I just want to make clear I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say here is just my opinion, so make sure you do your own research before you invest, and let's get into it. Now to start things off, I just want to go ahead and look at the overall weekly chart we have here. And most people have noticed this already, but we have been in a giant ascending triangle formation for the last really 5 or 6 months, and people have been waiting to see a breakout above this upper line here. But I believe about 2 or 3 days ago, we had a breakdown from this line. And I mean, I'll be honest, I expected a sell-off whenever this happened. But I bought in here around the lows of this previous level of support, thinking that this would hold up. And it actually, to my surprise, it just crashed right through it and kept going down. And eventually we found a bottom here at 26.85, and eventually we have recovered a little bit, but I want to go ahead and go into more detail about this recovery and where I think we're going to move from here. Alright, so I went ahead and zoomed into the 2-day time frame, and I want to talk about this support and this resistance level. So when the price initially collapsed, it found support down here 26.85 and had a huge spike up, and then the next following day it went down, tested it, and had another huge spike up. And it's been trading between this support and resistance level for the last day and a half now. Notably, I think this support is especially strong because not only did it hold up twice here, but each time it spiked up very hard. And the price, if you were to imagine the price trading between these two ranges, the price has typically been trading towards the upper range rather than the lower. And every time it kind of gets around the middle, it kind of gets bought up and has gone back up. And to me, that just, it seems to me like the buyers are stepping in here, which is a more bullish bet than anything. Now, as for tomorrow, I'm going to be paying really close attention to this 31 level. It's broke above a little bit, but like just roughly the 31 level. I would not be surprised if we see a huge spike on volume tomorrow, breaking above 31, that if we maybe can test 34, because that was the other resistance between these two levels. I mean, it might not be a day, but I wouldn't be surprised if we break 31 that we see a test back up to 34. And that about wraps up my analysis. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please do leave a like. It'll help me out, and take care.